وينه؟ والله بالبيت. انت وينه؟ وينه؟ نجمة.
ايه
شو صار؟ شلون دلة؟ شو صار لك؟
ها
قوموا تعالوا اعزمكم على غدا. وين انت؟ It's my friend. No Arabic. I am Somalia in America. Oh, America. الفاتح. راوي. سام دق للراوي قل له لكو بالغرفة الثانية دق له. Nice to meet you والله. Somalia. It's good.
nice to meet you brother.
عندي حبيب سوري وكوري وصومالي وتونسي. يلا قوم تعال.
Syrian wait Syrian people living in Somalia.
واي والله.
والله they live in حمروينة جدك
حمروينة.
ففديان كاريستان.
I am coming in the Somalia, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, Royal. I am Somalia, but I left Turkey. O zaman sana hiç
They run Syria.
إبراهيم دق له للراوي. قل له على تليفونه على المسة أوب. كملونا على الألف لنحكمة طيب.
You could tell it, thank you. Somalia come. Syria.
حبيبي come to Somalia.
حبيبي come to Dubai. Me I love Dubai. إن شاء الله one day I will go. تضوين أنكو كل واجه على تلي كرسي Dubai تدو هذا. لعل ويا.
لعل وعسى.
Me I wanna marry an Arabic guy. It's good.
والله come to the Somalian. I am coming.
And Arabic they are good people.
Yes, and you good people. Somalia, love Somalia.
No, and people and guy Arabic. Me, I wanna Arabic love, make love. Arus. Like ninkaan la dhahaa shilinka.
You love Arabic. You love Arabic.
Arab people.
Arab people. You love Arab people.
Yes.
Okay. Why no Arab people boyfriend?
No boyfriend me.
Why?
I wanna make.
You're famous.
I wanna make Arab boys, beautiful boys. Me, I'm tired of Somalia boyfriend.
هي بدها تتزوج واحد عربي. You Arabic. One people Arabic. In the Turkish شلون بدي اقول كثير. Nothing. نسيت الكلمة كلها.
حتى Turkish is okay, but me I don't want Turkish.
Turkish so people Arabic.
No Turkish.
No Turkish people. Arabic people. In the Turkish. برضاني يعرف شو
سوريا سعودي عربية فلسطين
سعودي عربية سوريا أردن يمن
يا نو تركي دبي my favorite ni فلسطين
what are you doing today? شلون دولة أنا رحت. I am going in the airport. Yeah. My friend.
You at airport, Turkey?
Yeah.
You work or you going?
Every day I am going in the airport. Every day.
We will see, okay?
It's my work.
Okay. Okay. When I will come, I will buy some gift for you. We will meet in airport, okay?
Okay.
Your number. Okay.
Give me number. Follow me Snapchat and Instagram.
Snapchat. I use Snapchat.
Yes.
We will talk in there, okay?
Okay. شو عم تكتبوا لي؟
Bye. Have a good day.
Dürüst çalışıyorsunuz. Gezme için ne istersin yapalım. راح اشتري لك هدية. هدية شو؟ Oh, listen. I am coming in the airport, but give me a هدية, okay?
Okay, I will give you an هدية.
Yeah.
Yeah, promise. I promise.
Promise?
Yes, promise.
جيبوا لنا هدايا من الصومال خلينا نشوف. Necme bir tatlı kız. Doğrudur. Listen. Give me Somalia. Somalia
T-shirt.
Yes, yeah.
Jacket, Somalia jacket.
Yeah, Somalia jacket.